Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to have no name on Instagram highlights. If you're interested in Instagram marketing, growing your account and making money from Instagram, check out our free Instagram resources and newsletter below. But now let's see how to have no name on Instagram highlights. If you want to create some highlights but you don't want to write any words or even emojis, I have a solution for you. Open any web browser and search invisible characters. Open a site and copy the characters, then paste it into your highlight name. This way you can post your highlight with no name on it. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to check out our Make Money with Instagram checklist for free, or the Instagram growth checklist, other Instagram marketing resources and deals. Also, we have a free weekly Instagram marketing newsletter for which you can sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial was not up to date, make sure to check out our more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well, which you can also find in the video description below.